Our badge system pretty much makes up the entire purpose of the move, and we are wanting to expand that and finally get it all integrated in the site. So you can see the link here for the badges, and from this we just have our most popular ones that we think people are going to want, and you can also click more badges. When you go to more badges, you'll see a plethora of badges that we're creating, and the one that works 100% right now is the move badge. You click on it and it comes up, it gives you a little bit of a description, and over on the right hand side it has a check mark based on if you have this information or not. You can also just highlight the question mark and it'll give you some more information on it, and it provides a link on how to fix the problem if you don't have that particular item. Since I have a photo, I've uploaded my resume, I have all of this, and I passed my tests, then the bar shows up 100%. I don't really mind changing the layout of this. I'm really happy with what it looks like right now. But this is the only badge that works, and we need all these other badges to work. You go look at the bronze ballroom badge, and you're just left with nothing right now. So we need to add that dynamic checklist over here. And more importantly, what I'd like to do is set up so that it's dynamic and the clients will actually get access to the classroom and to the library. So we have three links. We have the library, the classroom, and the badges. All three of these guys need to be linked together. So right now we're on the bronze ballroom badge, and it's going to have a big list of information on here of everything that they need. A better example would probably be the personal trainer badge, and that's the first one we're going to market with this program. So let's check him out. Okay, so over here it says that you need to write 2 fitness articles, and I've already programmed this a little bit. And it says since I have written 2, I have 100%. I need 20 hours of internship training, 20 hours of volunteering, 60 hours of this, and I need to upload 2 testimonials. Now, even though that shows check marks, I don't believe those are hooked up at all. Then we have these classes. We have Contrology, Nutrition, Business, Intro to Fitness. And it says my final grade is 64%. And a cost of $500. This needs to be dynamic so that they can pay for it ahead of time. And once they pay for it, it says that they've paid, they just haven't been approved. And then once their grade gets up past 80%, it'll send them into a queue for them to be approved. Now, I don't want it to be automatically approved, but I just want it to tell our administrators that, hey, they've passed everything, they have 80% on their final grade, so let's check them out. So say that they just signed up on the website, the only reason that they signed up was to get this certification. Then they don't want to do anything else on the site but get certified. Then it's going to say you need to read the book, interact, and have an interview, and do all of the little checklist. Then I want them to register for this and pay for it, and as soon as they pay for it, it should automatically enroll them into all the classes over in the classroom. So let's go to the classroom and see what that looks like. Okay, in the classroom we are going to have all of those classes that we mentioned, the Nutrition 101, the Business 101, the Certified Personal Trainer program. All of those are in here, and they have different tests within of them as well. So each of these have different price tags on them, but if they buy the badge, then that should enroll them automatically over here, so that they shouldn't be paying twice for the program. In addition to that, it also said that they have a book that they're going to get, and they need to read The Fire Within. That Fire Within book is found in our media library. So inside the media library, different people have access to items over here, and down in their bottom part it shows what they have access to. Now I want it to automatically add a new collection. I want it to add a collection that says Personal Trainer Certification right there, just like I have. And when you click on that, it should show all of the materials needed for that. Now this is only one book, which is the Fire Within, and I have access to it, but it should automatically add it to their library as well, just because they are getting certified. I think that wraps everything up with what we have going on with our badges program. So, in conclusion, when they go to the badges, they click on Personal Trainer, they see a checklist over there of what they need, they pay over on this side. After they pay, it should automatically enroll them in all the classes that are here. It should also give them any training materials in their library and be really automated for them to get started. And that's it.